In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Argentina Steam account in just 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's seamless and easy, so let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by creating a new Steam account. This is a crucial first step as it sets the foundation for accessing the Argentina Steam store. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Steam website. From there, click on the Create Account button. You'll need to fill in some basic information such as your email address and select a password. Make sure you choose a secure password that you'll remember. Once you've completed the required fields, confirm your registration by checking your email for the verification link sent by Steam. After completing your account registration, go ahead and open your newly created Steam account. Log into the Steam platform by simply clicking on the login button at the top of the page. Enter the account name and password you just created, then click on Sign In. This action will bring you to your Steam homepage, and once you're here we can move on to the next step. Now, it is important to connect to an Argentinian server using a reliable VPN. If you don't have a VPN installed yet, there are plenty of options available, both free and paid, depending on your needs. Once you have your VPN ready and running, select an Argentinian server. This step is crucial because it makes Steam think you are browsing from Argentina, thereby allowing you to access the Argentinian store and its local pricing. Once your VPN is connected to an Argentinian server, go back to your Steam homepage and open the Steam store. This is where you'll notice a change. Browse for a game of your choice and add it to your cart. It's important to check that the currency displayed in the Steam store has switched to Argentinian pesos. This indicates that you have successfully accessed the Argentina Steam store. Now you can see that the game prices are all denominated in the Argentinian currency. Be sure to take advantage of the often reduced prices available in the Argentinian Steam store compared to other regions. And there you have it. You've successfully created and configured an Argentina Steam account. It's now set up for you to explore and purchase games at local Argentinian prices. Remember, however, that you should remain connected to the Argentinian server on your VPN whenever you're accessing the Steam store to maintain this setup. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to enjoy your Steam experience with this new setup. Happy gaming!